Okay, Microsoft Word has a cool tool in the references menu uh, called Insert Citation. So let's take this out right here. I'm going to delete all of this. And make sure you put a space between the ending quotation mark and where you're going to insert the citation. You can see where my cursor's at. It's in between the quotation mark and the period after the space. And we're going to come up here to Insert Citation, Add New Source. So this is a really cool tool. You can see that you can choose whether it's a book or a journal article, a website, but this helps in creating the bibliography. So remember, this was Thomas Friedman here, so I'm just going to type in the name the way that you would normally address someone. It doesn't have to be last name, comma, first name. You can just type in their regular name. And the journal name is the New York Times, right? So we've got that down. The title, let me go back to the citation here and grab the title. All right, so we got this. Paste that in here. The year, it's April 28th, 2021. Guess I don't need the word the. And let's see here, April 28th. What else do I need to include? Anything? I guess I could include this. I don't think there's anything else I need to include. Put this here under, maybe the URL might be better. Not sure whether to put it under URL or DOI. So I'll click OK, and look what it does. It puts Friedman in as the citation. So you might say, well, wait a minute, where'd everything else go? You typed everything else in. Well, it needs to go somewhere too. Don't worry, it's in there. I'm going to press, I'm going to hold the control button down and press enter to create a page break. And now I'm going to go up to my references again, and I'm going to choose bibliography, and it has created a bibliography for me. Isn't that wonderful? If there were multiple entries, they would be sorted alphabetically. You can see that it's last name, comma, first name. It's got the name of the title in quotation marks. It's got New York Times in italics. It's got the date in parentheses. So it's just really wonderful. And the last thing is that you might want to double check this. I think I already had this set from the start, but if you want to put it in APA format instead of MLA format, look what happens. Now it's got last name, first initial. It's got the date in parentheses. It's just wonderful. So this is not 100% perfect tool, but if you are having trouble creating a bibliography, this gets you from 0 to 80 miles per hour pretty quickly. Doesn't get you to 100 miles an hour, but maybe 80, 85% good.